Students, I hope you all are following the safety precaution in this hard time. Let us continue our chapter 1 of class 5 science. Dispersal of seeds. The process of scattering or spreading seeds away from the mother plant is called dispersal. What is dispersal? The action or process of distributing or spreading seeds or other things. Dispersal is necessary for the better growth of plant. If all the seeds fall near to the mother plant and start germinating, they would not get enough light, water and space to grow. Come on to the next page. The process of dispersal is carried out by animals, birds, water and wind. A. By wind. Light, hairy or being seeds are dispersed by wind. Seeds that are light in weight or have hairy or wing dispersed by wind. Seed of plants like cotton, madar and hyptis dispersed through wind. B. By water. Plants that grow along river or seashores में समुद्र के किनारे disperse their seeds through water currents. Such seeds have fibrous or spongy parts that float in water. Coconut has fibrous covering. While seeds of lotus are spongy. See by man, animals and birds. Man also eat fruits and throw seeds at distant places. Some seeds are not digested by the animals or birds. The undigested seeds are thrown away in animals or birds' waste. D. By explosion, some fruits or drying weeds open. Thus, the seeds pop out and get scattered. This is commonly seen in pea, beans and balsam. Look at the picture. Seed dispersed by wind, cotton, hyptis. Seeds dispersed by water, coconut and lotus. Seeds dispersed by man, animal and birds.